the beginning, when I started, I was actually spending money on logo. And then I switched to decide that, okay, I don't want to spend, because you know what happened to me? I ordered from Fiverr and I didn't like the designs that he sent me. So I ordered from another one and then one more. So in reality, I spent about $100 for the first logo that I created that I later replaced. So these days when I'm starting new brands, I am basically doing, can I just share my screen quickly? I'll show you the free way.
Yeah.
I use Dafont.com.
Oh, wow.
Basically, I just put into my search. So you just choose a category, whatever, like fancy various, and you will put in your office suppliers, you know, that kind of thing, like large size, and then you submit. And then you go and choose your logo, you know.
Wow.
I just copy that image, remove the background with the simple online remover background tool, and then I got the logo. So I made it free from paying anyone. And later you still will want to go to Fiverr when you are actually investing a lot of money in packaging and things like that, right? So, but the first time you are sending something to Amazon, you know, probably I say save the money, you know, go with the free options. Just an idea.
That's brilliant. I haven't seen that before. So that's awesome to see that.
It's up to your level of aesthetics, right? If you really like pretty things and your brand requires something very pretty for the logo, if the packaging is a big part of your, you know, item, so that is quite important, then spend some money. But if it's not, like I'm selling dresses, so, you know, in the dress inside, there's a logo somewhere. So it's not that important. But I guess on the folder, you know, if you're going to have a nice packaging with the logo, then it is quite important.
Yeah. And so, in all honesty, the fact that we've just done that just shows you how simple it actually can be to find and get your logo made. Don't, like, I think what Paulina is really saying here is don't spend your life trying to find a logo and getting the right logo and getting it done properly and all of that type of stuff. Don't spend your life trying to do all this stuff.
Yeah.
The objective here, don't forget, is to get started, get going, get moving, and start selling on Amazon.